Art Lab. Happy Wednesday. How are you guys doing? So as you saw from my little film before this, I made a skateboard park. And this was a super fun and simple project. And as you can see, I made children or kids out of the toilet paper rolls by cutting them in half, so they're shorter people than the parent is. And for your skateboard, you're going to need some supplies like tacky glue. Elmer's glue will probably work, but this is fantastic if you can get your hands on it. And you'll need a couple of corks. And we might be able to get these to you if any of you don't have any and you want to make this project. And for the skateboard deck, I used a thin piece of cardboard. You want it easy to cut out, but you also want it to be sturdy. And then, obviously, you just glue your deck to your wheels, and there's your skateboard. And I also made a skateboard ramp. And this was super simple because it's just an oatmeal box that I cut part of out. And there you go. Have fun making your creations, and I would like to get as many photos as I can this week because next week I'd like to compile all of them together and make a video of all of our projects. So please send as many photos as you have of your projects that you've made throughout the past couple of months. And until next week, have a good week. Bye guys.